Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Do you have like a wrap or a towel or something?
No, I don't.
No?
No.
Okay.
Just put my shirt
Why do I
on.
need to put something on?
Okay.
Does it offend you?
Can I get out?
I just didn't want to make you stand out here in just a bikini. That's why I'm asking. Okay, go ahead and get out of the car for me.
Can I get out, man?
Yes.
On the 10th of June, 2022, a minor in possession arrest was completed in under 90 seconds. The entire case rests on a single voluntary admission.
Who else had alcohol? Not you?
I wasn't drinking either.
So just you, you're the only one that had alcohol? Well, that's awfully brave of you.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Thank you so fucking much.
Thank you. Do you have your ID, sir? Your registration and your insurance. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Do you have like a wrap or a towel or something?
No, I don't.
No?
No.
Okay.
Just put my shirt
Why do I
on.
need to put something on?
Okay.
Does it offend you?
Can I get out?
I just didn't want to make you stand out here in just a bikini. That's why I'm asking. Okay, go ahead and get out of the car for me.
Can I get out, man?
Yes. Stand right in front of that Chevy symbol right there. And you're how old again? Okay. Just do me one favor. Go ahead and stand over by the tire for a second. You said you're 18 years old, correct? And you're in possession of alcohol and you're under the age of 21, correct? Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Minor in possession requires two elements: under 21 and possessing or consuming alcohol. Both are confirmed within 30 seconds admission given. Age confirmed. The offense is complete before anyone exits the vehicle. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, a group field question before any individual is formally detained is non-custodial. Miranda is not required. The admission given in that context is presumptively admissible without a prior rights advisement.
Adult female 1015, and you send me a second unit. Do what?
She's sending it to me.
She's sending it to you? Okay. You're free to leave if you want to. Okay. Well, take a step back for me, please. Ma'am, can you have a seat on the bumper? I don't want to put you in the ring.
We were only coming under here to get them out of the
What?
ring.
Take a seat on the bumper. I gave you an opportunity to get dressed. We're going to wait a minute now, okay? Put your butt on the bumper, please. They're going to start gathering their belongings because it's being towed.
Okay. Can I open this?
Sure. What's your first name?
He's gonna open.
Abigail?
Yes.
Abigail, we're going to go stand over by that GMC. My body cam's a lot better than a phone. If you want a copy of it, you're more than welcome to it. You obviously want to record, so that's what I'm saying. My body cam's a lot better.
I'm good.
You don't want this? Put it on you.
With my hands like that? I don't want it.
You know, this could have gone a completely different way. All you had to do was just answer.
The most consequential audio is the officer's own statement. All she had to do was dance. Dance means deny. Every other occupant denied. The officer confirmed on active body cam that the case rests on this admission alone. Without the admission, the prosecution faces a constructive possession problem. Multiple occupants, all denying proving individual possession beyond reasonable doubt, requires either physical evidence or a statement. The statement is the only individualizing evidence. Under Kymel v. California, officers may search garments before allowing an arrestee to wear them. The officer documented this correctly on camera. I searched them first. Proper procedure, properly noted.
Abigail, I'm staying right here.
Let me get pulled over for in the first
I
place.
did. Get by the tire. You don't want anything else to go with you after the jail, because you're going to jail. You don't want your phone, you don't want your...
I'll take your phone with you.
Udi!
Unless you know Udi's number. Then
Udi! When you make the phone?
you're able to, like, you want it with
You're
without.
going to have to post bond. Can you guys take a step back?
How much is that shit?
$500.
Anybody got $500?
You do.
You want your phone or no?
I will say some shit.
Do you want your phone or no?
No, I'm good. I don't want to talk to anybody.
So who's it going with? Okay. You're fine.
I do not want to know if I do.
This is why I asked if you wanted a towel. Like, you don't offend me. I searched. She was just wearing the bikini, so she just put these clothes on, and I searched them first.
I just wasn't sure if I needed to or if you already did it.
Yep. Yeah. Like I said, we're good.
You have my ID still?
I do.
I don't know. I'm recording.
You don't want them recorded? I don't know. Maybe to document a fun time, I'm sure. To them it is, because no one else claimed the beer that you were drinking all by yourself.
The officer receives a B+. The group questioning technique is legally sound and effective. The attention to the subject's physical comfort towel offer, female unit request reflects good practice. Deducted for the dance statement on active body cam, the subject receives a D. She is 18, admitted to drinking in a group where every other person denied possession, and that admission is the operative fact in the case against her. 2 takeaways. First, Berkemer v. McCarty protects pre-arrest group questioning from Miranda suppression, but only if the encounter is genuinely non-custodial. The 9-0-second transition to arrest will be examined. Second, every statement made on active body cam is discoverable. An officer's post-arrest assessment of the evidence, including what the subject could have done to avoid arrest, is available to defense counsel. Let us know which interactions you want analyzed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Street Bodycam has more.